Targa. Sometimes a product name becomes so influential that it becomes a synonym for the whole product. This particular car was driven by the famous race driver Jochen Neerpasch in Sicily during the preparation for the Targa Florio race. This is the race that gave the whole model range its name. I'm Bastian Vogt, Head of Consignments Germany for Broad Arrow. The car you see here is one of the earliest examples of the 911 Targa. Its engine number 54, one of the lowest engine numbers ever produced. Even more remarkable that this engine carries the designation 901/02, which refers to the 911S specification, making this one of the first Targas to ever carry such an engine. After the Targa Florio, Jochen Neerpasch bought the car, probably the reason why this test car escaped being scrapped. You have the opportunity to bid on this wonderfully historic car at our Concorso di Eleganza Villa d'Este auction in Italy in May 2026.